So have you noticed that after moving to Delhi NCR, your hair is falling more, your skin is very rough and dry, and all the moisturizer that you have been using has absolutely no effect on your skin? There just might be something to it. So all your hair and skin concerns happening after moving to Delhi NCR, so you may not actually be imagining it all. One of the hidden culprits causing all your skin and hair concerns is hard water, and that is what is found in Delhi NCR. Hi, I'm Dr. Rashmi Agrawal. I'm the founder and medical director of Neera Dew Aesthetics, which is a premium venture of Skin International Clinic. And today I'm going to be discussing how hard water has an effect on your hair and skin. So, what is hard water? Now, hard water has dissolved minerals in it, especially calcium and magnesium. Now, when you consume this hard water, it is actually not very harmful. But again, when you started to use this water to take a shower, to wash your hair and you wash your skin, so the dissolved minerals affect the way the water interacts with the skin, the hair, the soap, and the shampoo. So you're washing your hair with this water, using that shampoo, it may leave behind a residue in your hair. Same goes for your skin. You're washing your face with this water, it leaves behind a residue. So it gives you that very rough, textured skin. So we're going to talk about the effect of hard water on your skin. If you're using hard water to wash your face or take a shower, the soap may actually leave behind a residue on your skin, which gives it that very tight, dry feel to your skin, and you feel like you haven't even washed your skin properly, but you have. So now, if you already have conditions, say such as eczema, or you have a damaged skin barrier, the hard water can actually make your skin worse because it causes dryness and redness to your skin. Some people also note that the moisturizers that they have been applying up till now, after using hard water on their skin, the moisturizers don't have the same effect that they used to have earlier. However, it is important to understand that hard water may not be the only cause for all your skin problems. It could be anything underlying, could be a damaged skin barrier which already exists, could be something like eczema, could be anything else. So can't blame hard water for all your problems, but it is one of the causes of your skin concern. However, you have to understand that hard water may not be the only cause for all your skin concerns. Sometimes weather, could be the pollution, could be your hormonal changes, could be nutrition, could be your lifestyle. All of these can also contribute towards your skin concerns. So just blaming hard water is not going to be enough. But yes, hard water does constitute as one of the causes of your skin concern. Hard water can affect your hair as well, as we discussed. It can cause mineral deposits on your hair shaft, which leads to a little bit of roughness and dry, brittle hair. Now, what this does, it removes that smoothness from your hair, which is so desired. Now, again, you can't blame hard water for all your hair-related problems. There could be something underlying, could be genetic, could be hormonal, could be nutritional deficiency. N number of reasons. Could also be the water in your swimming pool, which is causing damage to your hair. You can't blame the hard water for all your hair related problems as well. So how can you protect yourself from this hard water problem? You can install a good quality shower filter or a water softener if possible. Start using a sulfate-free shampoo, which actually leads to less deposits of minerals in your hair shaft. Remember, every time you've taken a shower, use normal water, not very hot water to wash yourself. Moisturize immediately after a bath or a shower, and of course, continue using your sunscreen. If you are dealing with persistent dryness, eczema breakouts or flare-ups, a damaged skin barrier, there could be an underlying cause. You need to consult with your doctor. Hard water cannot always be the cause for all these problems. There may be some other cause as well that needs to be addressed. If you found this video useful and informative, do like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.